Here is a little box, and inside it we have a Schaefer and Budenberg counter. It's a revolution counter, and if you turn this axle, the number counts up. It counts exactly the number of revolutions that this axle does. It comes with two connector pieces, and it would connect up to a large machine like a steam engine, and would count how many rotations it does. Schaefer and Budenberg was founded in 1850 in Magdeburg in Germany. Schaefer was an engineer who had developed a pressure gauge, and Budenberg was an entrepreneur, a businessman. They set up branches outside of Germany as well, mainly in Manchester, in England, but also in New York. They built an office there and a workshop in 1889 and did business from there until the First World War. Unfortunately, the American branch was seized by the American government. The Office of Alien Property Custodian. All ties with the German parent company were severed. It was sold off to the American Gauge Company in 1919, and it changed its name to the American Schaefer and Budenberg Company. After various takeovers and mergers, the name Schaefer and Budenberg was no longer used from 1928 onwards. The British branch of the Schaefer and Budenberg Company was also seized by the government, the British government, but after the First World War it was then sold back to Frederick Budenberg, who was actually British born, and he could continue to operate the company. It changed its name to the Budenberg Gauge Company. The Budenberg Gauge Company still trades today. The original German parent company continued, but Magdeburg lies in eastern Germany, so after the Second World War it fell into Soviet hands. Let me open it up and show you the insides. The bezel simply unscrews. The glass comes off, and the face as well. Here you see the inside. It has an eccentric gear. That gear has 9 teeth compared to the number wheel's 10. So for each revolution, that eccentric gear does one wobble around and moves the number wheel one step. So it's a 10-to-1 reduction. The carry wheels back there are fairly standard. It has no reset mechanism, but if you do want to reset it, you can simply remove this little block here. So once you undo that screw, this block comes out. It's a bit tricky. There we go. And with that block removed, the number wheels can slide apart and be set to any value. When you put this block back in, do make sure that the little spacer washer is up against the number wheel and not against the side. That was the Schaefer and Budenberg Revolution counter. Thank you for watching.